So after our first macroscopic and microscopic analysis of the stomach material here at the Eurac Institute of Mummies and the Icemen, we made the major further step in this study. So we extracted the complete DNA and we fished out, by using a modern technique, all Helicobacter sequences out of this material. And by doing this, we could reconstruct the whole ancient complete bacterial genome of Helicobacter pylori, of the Iceman. Interestingly, he already carried a virulent strain. So it means the infection of this Helicobacter in the Iceman already triggered inflammatory response. It means there were protein already present, which you have if you are infected by Helicobacter. We nevertheless cannot really say how severe this infection was. So we cannot really say if he already had gastritis or peptic ulcer, which is also caused by this bacterium. In another part of the study, we then focused on the comparison of the ancient strain to all modern present strains. And important for this is to know that Helicobacter is carried by the host, by the human, and it reflects a geographic pattern similar to this human. So if you sample an African, then you find an African strain. If you sample an Asian, then you find an Asian strain. In Europe, interestingly, there's a mixture. So we have a mixture, a hybrid strain, a mixed strain based on African components and Asian components. Until now, it was believed that this mixed strain was already present during the Neolithics. So the farmers brought this already mixed strain to Europe. And now we saw in the Iceman that it was not like this. So he carried a more pure strain, an unmixed strain yet. And we can say that the history of Helicobacter population genetics in Europe is different than previously thought, and it rewrites also the textbooks.